Hi, good evening guys. This is Srikanth and I welcome you to my channel Adventure Unlimited. Well, today we are not traveling anywhere. We are talking about something that we require for our travels, for our motorcycle travels. So if you are a motorcycle rider, if you're a long distance rider, you definitely need stuff like, things to carry your stuff. And most common of them all, it's called a saddlebag. Now today I'm going to show you something different, although it's quite common, but for people who are just getting into the field of motorcycling, we are going to show you something called a tail bag, slightly different and designed a little differently. I ordered one from a company called ViaTerra. The bag got delivered a few days back. Yeah, here we are. We're going to talk about the bag. I'm going to show you, unpack it in front of you. Let's see what we have got. Alright, so I have unpacked this. This is the bag, and you might not be able to get an idea how this looks and how it's going to load up. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to fill this up with whatever clothes I've got here, and to be able to make an idea how it looks and how it fits on the bike. Alright, here we go. Alright guys, so I've filled up this bag and here it is. It's pretty big. So I'm going to take it and place it on my bike, and let's see how it fits, and then I'm going to talk to you about the features of this bike. Alright, here you go. Alright guys, so this is my bike. This is a 1997 Yamaha RX-G. This is a 22-year-old motorcycle, still running strong, really strong. I've just placed the bag on my bike. This will help you see the compartments and how the bag looks, the straps, how it fits, the stitches and everything. This is how it looks on my bike. There's enough space for a person to sit comfortably. Here you can see it's a ViaTerra. The model is a Claw. It's called a ViaTerra Claw 2007, fully waterproof. Well, this material is not fully waterproof, but it comes with two waterproof packs, two linings, which are completely waterproof. I guess it has been packed over here. I guess it's here. Outside lining, it's a single piece without any stitches. A pretty good material, no stitches. It's a one-piece waterproof covering for this bike. Here you go. So as you just saw, this comes with two layers of waterproof lining. One, an inner lining inside the bag, which sits inside the bag, which is completely waterproof, and then you have the waterproof cover which sits outside the bag. So these two layers make this bag 100% waterproof. So that's pretty reassuring. What I like about the bag is the look, quite decent. It's a 62 liters bag that lets in a lot of clothing, a lot of tools. Definitely, if you're going for a long ride, you definitely need the tools. Most importantly, which I like about the bag, is this compartment. What they say is this can take in about a 5-liter jerry can. So these two pockets will allow you to carry about 10 liters of fuel, which is good enough for any long distance ride in India. Coming to the looks of it, looks pretty decent. Comes in two colors, orange and black. This one is the orange version. It's just the bidding which is orange, rest of the bag is black for both the models. The stitches have been reinforced using this rubber, I don't know if tubings, if I may call it. I'm not sure what is the technical name to it, but these tubings make the stitches quite strong. So that's pretty impressive. These are the reflective strips, makes you visible in the highways. The zippers have been labeled ViaTerra, and these are big enough. If you are wearing gloves, you can handle this quite comfortably. These big straps again, these big compartments again have this small compartment here. You can keep your waterproofing, some extra tools, some documents, whatever you want. I'm going to open this up now. This is the main compartment, and these two big straps, this allow you to carry some additional stuff on top of this bag. For example, tents, sleeping bag, etc. This is the inside. So the inner lining, the inner waterproof lining, will sit inside, making these completely safe from water. Here is another compartment. The zippers are quite smooth. Definitely seems to be of very good quality. Coming to the straps, as I mentioned, here on top of the bag, we again have one additional compartment here. Whatever you feel like, whatever fits in. Right, coming to the straps, we have two of these straps here. These additional straps on top of the bag will allow you to tie in some additional stuff like mats or sleeping bag or tents, whatever you want. We have this rear strap. These rear strap will allow you to tie in the bag from behind, so that's not going to let the bag move ahead. Keeps the bag in place. Apart from that, you have two side straps, right? These. The straps are not dangling down here. You can adjust the length. It's quite a long strap. You can tie it in anywhere you want. You can basically use these rods to tie in the strap. Same with this strap here. This will again tie in with this rod here. Right, this bag also comes with this particular strap. You can simply clip onto this. Alright, and this comes in here. When you're done with the trip and need to get into a hotel, you can simply pick up this bag like this, use it as a side bag, duffel bag, and carry it along. As simple as that. Alright guys, so this was the ViaTerra Claw 62 liters tail bag for you. Although you won't be able to make out how it performs unless we take it out on a ride. So let's see. I'm planning to go on a ride very soon with this bag, and we'll come back and let you know how it performed. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like it, if you find it useful, please like, share, and definitely subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye.